front page hono news item bi ho a fa Birim Central Municipal Assembly ho or say 15,000 Ghana cedi galamsey extortion scandal. Birim Central MCE fingered, but Solomon Kusi Brakon Paris allegations. Na the HN say extortion say oji ofa kwati kwan bi so ade sika free enkofo ho no a enamra kwan. So that is the meaning of extortion. And now almost to say the MCE for Birim Central has been fingered. Kusi Brakon na yeme na me nemu di nkomo. Na wo hwe sa news item ya Endra say me call Koforidua ebra me Koforidua no menya call from Angel TV. Na omasemu nyina ne say omonsa ka audio bi a audio ni no e kire say obi bo me sobo say majinisika 15,000 Ghana cedi onipa ko no oye galamsey ana so oye mining enti no omo pese me yi ensemona no enti make ma omo te ase say me nam kwan so ameba enti ne bia na omo ye ko na network no nye papa enti nka me bedu enwumra na nka ya interview no enti enwumre no ma ante omo nka Angel TV for ma ante omo nka enti enwumre no ana me ko old town na obi frame me say wati wo Angel TV say you say MC akwako disika 15,000 na kire say news no crowd o medi kan de den atudwa me so no o man to me am frame me for my side of the story into me frame edipa na o frame area abre no so and there area on be frame me but na me to me hu ni say it was quite unfair because that moment no edipa do na hwe Angel TV and also omutie Angel FM no and then we interview na enye omu nyina na be san ye den atie entina ehu behia say my friends and trefo na menomu adidi nkomo no na ya kire mu asem no mu no kro ye den ewo mu nyina na ena no kwen so no mensa ka audio ye member of parliament honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa odi sa asem no ho nkomo o ka say wati audio bi e kire say MC akoje 15,000 Ghana cedi na osan ka won ka say mu say emri bi no MC ka say ya che excavator na omo call police station hono ya che excavator na di call police station ade ya chen na excavator no any police station hono endran so ebra me work for Odua na district commander municipal commander police commander frame say MP afre no honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa afre no say excavator bia ya say ya cheche na excavator no wo hefa na opese ode asem no man central for and as ode asem ne ma journalist central for enunti no mu no allegations no wo baby a free ba but e was me di kan kire mu baby a allegations no free ba ansa na me kire mu kra ayeden aba minsuru anase minsuru enti meka allegations na ashase ni nyina no honorable Alexander Kwesi Akwa achim oda member of parliament and echiche sa enuoma yi nyina echi na ena no pai me dese asem no kwa ko newspaper mu na most media for mo ha no ma yeso be ka your side of the story. I say oba Birim Central Municipal Assembly mo amoyen central for amo ha no mu say amoti krom ha ide munim say nipa bebre mining ewo assembly ha no mu say nipa no moye mining no dodo na Ghana Consolidated Diamonds GCD na amo concession omutu na nipa dodo na GCD for amo concession omutu no GCD for no emma obia 25 acres of land as I say GCD for no twama obia no 25 acres and omo twitwa man kofo omo etu diamond okromo ha no na adwuma na omo ye no illegal adenti illegal ne say omo ni nkrata free assembly ni ho esan say GCD for mother company ni ma concession assembly no so no wo sa mine akro no wo asede bi ye say wo ye den wo ye ma assembly no eno ni obabe register o company no with the assembly wo register o company no with the assembly ansa na assembly no ama o de fe no business operating permits in the assembly ni ma o business operating permit na ansa na obetimi ahya say utu damo ana say utu gold obetimi ahya say aye den etu But some miners ni nyina omo ye adwuma na omo say GCD for na omo concession. Obi ani wa register with the assembly. Obi ani wa assembly no amano a business operating permit. Enti me buy as an MCE no, ya take a task force. Task force no omo ye nyoma bebre. Baako omo inspected buildings obi wa o sit down bi oni permit. Omo ye say adwuma no. And any form of business obi ye o ya assembly only permit bi ano task force for no ekọ sango for ne so. Enti on the 24th of September busumi ye twa mu. And your task force for no ekọ operations. Omo call operations no omo call miners so. Miners omo ye business and as omo tu gold wo omo ni a permit from the assembly. And your task force for no ekọ omo so. Esa say assembly no ye ni low bed etimi ye di excavator esisunti no. Omo kwa control board na ewo excavator ni mu no ena omo ye den omo tu. Esa say nimdifo ne che say utu control board na excavator na o de ye hwe enye yi. Nti omo tu control board na omo de bae no 24th no minus ni di akire say omo ba beje omo control board. Eda no manfa control board no ama omo. Me ade chen ye no ena omo bae. Nti omo bae no ena ye frɛ ye finance officer, municipal finance officer. Ena one minus ne tena ha sei. Ena o kire omo say yes, ye accept say GCD for am concession say muntu. But say GCD for am concession say muntu you need a business operating permit from the assembly before you start your mining. Enunti no ewo ye fee fixing resolution mu no. Because answer my ken na assembly nin krata say mu. I friend fee fixing resolution. Fee fixing resolution mu no so be ye business without a permit in the assembly your fine was say ye de man no. Enti ye municipal finance officer catch omo say ade na omo ye no e was say obia etua sika 15,000 Ghana cedi edema assembly no for operating without any permit from the assembly. Enti sa 15,000 na the obokrata ka ho asem no enye municipal chief executive and omo betua sika na ma no. They paid the money to the municipal finance officer. And omutua sika no ma municipal finance officer no. Ye ma omu receipt. Enti wo hwe book ye kura me ya me wi am de mema mon central for am wa na ma hwem. We ye ejekum Bismarck 15,000 Ghana cedi being fined for illegal mining. Because all your mining na say only business operating permits from the assembly illegal. The etosu bi mu no. And so we also the company the feno Akora Mining Company Limited. And also da task force for the corner so na afi no de ne machine na aba wa se adwuma na se. Eno nti no finance officer e ka tell say okay because of so no we adwuma ne nche nti no ontua 10,000 Ghana cedi. Ni receipt I dem ano no copy e wa say na me read akere mo no. And one other person so Vincent Sajara and also etua 15,000 Ghana cedi. Emma finance officer the receipt and wa say we are the receipt ni na be ma mo na ma hwe say asema me ka no san etia and I say yes san etia. And say ba kon so wa hanom o say your friend Samson Kunedu ono tutua 15,000 Ghana cedi. And MFO and I say municipal finance officer Emma receipt. Enti the allegation say municipal chief executive officer adiji 15,000 nkofo bi hono na we jaa omo no enye no kre. A frivolous, baseless, unfounded allegations. Free the member of parliament or na all orchestrated sadoma we nyina. Because ma we journalist e wo hano mu say na mo kro mu ase no. Since me be ye MCE Birim Central MP no nye comfortable that. And you know it is an open secret. And through MPP communications officer, Obi FN Kofi Naftali, Diodu. If we know by pain say a kwanya ombefa so a omampani be yimedi bia no ombefa sa kwan ne so. Enu bi ne sa sebe enkwala asem we omoye because say nya enkwala asem a say wote asem a you verify from the person. No one will say no chrome and I say no chrome. And in this modern world, who collects bribe and issues receipts. Our friend say extortion. Who extorts money from people and give them receipts? And see, Ghana Consolidated Diamonds, GCD, a legitimate company, a Ghana bind there. And mama and for concession say omuntu e main scene, but omuni permit with the assembly. The fact say GCD will be as I want to know does not mean say the person shouldn't register with the assembly. And see, the allegations of bribery, extortion is neither here nor there. And most of the times, we hear last week, Community FM, omu make a post on social media say MCE say yenye mining wo galamsey ewo nkromo a na ade nti na ye de 9 months for aba. But a brief show be any who ma koso or na nkromo a me admit say the issue of illegal mining here. I'm on record to have written to the presidency as far as the issue of illegal mining is concerned. Mature krata akom ampeni ho IGP Chetayonu, Birim Central Municipal Assembly, Mature Krata Akoneho, National Security, Mature Krata Akohonom, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources, Mature Krata Akohonom about Galamsey. The latest letter, Yetrokoma, Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Your copy 9 months no was a letter. The man Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources say, pay blue water gas for be normal by insurance. Normally protecting you, all those letters are there. And after here, I will give you all those letters because our assembly records name. Last week, and I said last 2 weeks, 9 months for operations are mobile, I make MCE, and I may call 9 months for no atanaye. And I make sure I say there are people doing mining on our water bodies and closer to the water bodies. So, Joe fine say, oh, ye Juma. Without a permit from the assembly. Now 9 months for eba. Na someone who say who bension until me ma wudi ejuma no mo say bia. That does not give you the right say obe accusing me say my jiska because kana ye je on nyame na me jiska no. MFO na jiska na MFO jiska no so no. O issue receipts. As recent as last week. Yeah, HM MUSEC, Birim Central Municipal Security Council no. Year 2 operations. Operations, first one was very successful. It was very successful because koye no mutimi ehye chamfan infidie mi Sunday almost call operations. As our operations mienu na MUSEC for akọ in Birim Central Municipal Assembly ni nyina no. The often days are operations no me. The only sky ideas are operations. So me na me yi me botom sky na me de ma almost say omonye operations because now you pay sika free finance department on Esikano a delay. Until Ubusa BNI for Penia or Chromo Hanum say Obeka say the latest 2 operations are on illegal mining in Nano AME and I'm misika 12,600 or so. And I hear 2 operations in every. So when it comes to the issue of illegal mining, I say Galamsey, I have been very firm in the fight against Galamsey. And I know very well say and Kofobi feel say in their term or in their tenure, they couldn't do it. So obi but I'm very resolute, I'm very determined in the fight against Galamsey. And my on several occasions in the coming days, our approach to fighting illegal mining, we will be very ruthless. And I'm repeating it here. So the argument say, and I said the allegation say, Makwako bribe Galamsey for it is neither here nor there because those were people doing mining in our municipality without a business operating permit. And sika eji omuni nyina no ye receipts. Oba ye bank statement assembly ni bank statement you hear remember mo. Sika na eji minus ni nyina no ye deposit into the assembly's account. So first of all, why na di bribe no ama receipt we are not the sika na kwakoto assembly for no accounting. So when it comes to the issue of illegal mining, any newspaper now circulating around now, people were saying say Emame responding, but in this modern era no, false news thrives. And and no credit that say Birim Central MCE, Mimi Kusi Brako, Mako Jigalamsey Fosika. Endra da lanche ye reclamation say ye nsa say ankofobi tutu ase no. Yenyankofobi ombabe yeden ombabe kata so amaye. And when it comes to the fight against galamsey, my bomodin be breme, say and chain and come for ne say made the chairman di ho dance here. Now, in this morning audio, metie you know, na ye member of parliament ye kasa no ka bibi say ye che excavator na oko ade che ye no na yes no kura mu ne say be bosumi mienu ana say bosumi miense ni anajo be 8 p.m. na anajo na me wo old town me wo barbering shop keto bi won na makotena enim enti ye te hono ma na ye hu say excavator esi low bed so a ebetwam sa anajo no enti mi hu sa na me stop excavator no me ma boys na no mo around ni nyina aboa ne na ye stop excavator no enti ye stop excavator no na me free police commander divisional police commander ACP Dako say excavator bi ba betwam free old town by nim ba bi a mo dey say excavator no ye den eko enti no omo magi machine nkosi police station ade chia na ye hu nkofo na omo dey excavator no ye den eko no na ya ka ho asem enti ade chia ye no omo excavator no yomo dey no ko hu commander no omo kire commander say there bi enye excavator enye mining na omo dey ye den omo dey kwakoye ba omo mpo no omo dey machine twam akoba bi na MCE hu omo a o ye den o chi omo nti commander Ephraim say na nkofo no ye den e kanam so mona 7 previous emra no me dey say anajo sa time na excavator ni twam me dey say me stop excavator no because omo dey ko benkum so omo dey ko nifa na obi anye den enim enu nti no sa excavator na MP no ka ho asem say ye chikosi police station anye excavator ye ko che wo mining site excavator na ebetwam wo krom some you obi kura nka meka say oh excavator na etwam wo krom any mining site nti me ma na ye den etwam but me stop excavator no say nwumre no ma ade ye den echen ade echen ye no so police for no make sure say oma escort excavator no out of Odan township. So the allegations against me on extorting of money, no, and I say extortion of money, no, it will not wash. Omo behind sa fake stories, no. They should bow down their heads in shame. They should bow down their heads in shame because President Mahama, I appointed him, you know. The salary that President Mahama is giving me, you know, is enough. And it's even more than the 15,000 that they are talking about. And I know very well, says I will get plenty money. So why should I go and extort 15,000 Ghana cedis? Now, me say me bribe will be one me 15,000 Ghana cedis. So it is baseless, it's unfounded, and you need to be on my desperate because only say me ba assembly hanum say yekoye akoto moriase. Say mo hu de wa na akoto moriase tie no. Ye ti kromo hanum say na Captain Smart that time no Adum TV. Obetwa akoto moriase baller ekoto Adum TV say oba odan krom finfin a empreko ni nipa nete. Captain Smart na be yes our story no. Akoto moriase baller na wo so many years. Me ba ya fa plan na ye be yi baller ni free wa ya kofele ho kama no. A pese ye de kiafo ni nyina akọ no. MP Kroya yusu ni community FM radio station say MCE ako spend 150,000 1.5 billion and the idea akoto moriase which was palpable falsehood. The finance officer and etiano you know akoto moriase we spent less than 100,000 sa adwuma na ewo sa no but MPP time sa fence na ewo akoto moriase ne ho no they spent over 160,000 fence na my ketwa kekero almost spending 160,000 inti ka wo de emfa ni mpo say sa omo 150,000 numpa omo kana enye no kre no yemfa ne se nka sampo ye no kre o de compare sa fence na omo ye na why na aya ade ama omanfo na so aba aye den aba mfa so enunti no the attempts and the desperate attempts of the MP to make me look bad in the eyes of the public, you know, is very glaring. And allegations we are there to refute. Newspapers now mama publishes our false publications. No, many my lawyer didn't come on. Obviously, they are say Basse use our newspaper now. We will do that because you can't just publish anything without even listening to my side of the story. It's allegations, you know, a business, a unfounded. Ubi obetisa allegations ni biano. And MP said, say, person mampeni a investigation. Me kra me edge o mampeni President Mahama say sa bribery and I say extortion allegations na e course no ma publish on newspaper mu no company enye nhwehwemu wo sa de no say ekoba say eye no kure say ma extort sika firi obi ho a me ntwen mo company empam me anga say me yi me ho adi. I'm not corrupt and I've never used this office to benefit or enrich myself. And almost ye galamsey na omani nje wo de ye ne hunti no almost befa kweti kwan bi so no they should tighten their bets because the issue of illegal mining they be too sosa. And the president has said on countless occasions, and I'm very much aware say so wow ye government appointee na president be who say oh yes the president always akel because ono ankasa ne party president ankasa party national executives ye investigate omo. I'm not beyond investigation.